press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, in the previous class we learned the relationship between the lengths of the triangle, that's the property. It says that the length of the any two sides of a triangle is, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, and also the property says that the difference between the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always less than the third side. So we also saw some examples for that. So today we are going to solve some problems regarding this property. So in the examples you have, there is the example. I read the question. Is there a triangle whose sides have lengths 10.2 centimeter, 5.8 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter? They are asking is, what they are asking is, they have given the lengths of three sides of a triangle and asking, is it possible to draw or construct a triangle with these lengths or measures? Okay, so first we have to find the sum of the lengths. Why we have to find the sum of the lengths? That we know the property about this. When it holds this property, then the construction of triangle is possible with these measures. Okay, that what we know the property. The property says that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay, so let's find the sum of the lengths. Given measures are, first we have to list the given measures. Given measures are 10.2 centimeter. Second one is 5.8 centimeter, and the third measure is, the length of the third side is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, add any two. So take first one and second one. 10.2 centimeter plus 5.8 centimeter. So centimeter keep as it is. 2 plus 8 is 10. Keep 1 there. It's 6. It's 16.0 centimeter. Is it greater than the third side? Which is the third side here? It's 4.5 centimeter. It's greater than the third side, that is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, find the second one, that is 5.8 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter. Okay, add these two. 8 plus 5 is 13, keep 1. 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 1 is 10. It is 10.3 centimeter. 10.3 centimeter. Then so 4. Yes. So here 10.3 centimeter. So compare with the first length, that is the length of the first side, 10.2 centimeter. It's also greater than the third measure. Okay, add the third and first measure. The third measure is 4.5 centimeter plus 10.2 centimeter. Okay. So then 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 and 14, 14.7 centimeter. It's also greater than 5.8 centimeter. Okay, so compare all these measures. What we found here, the length of the sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. Here also it's greater than the third side. Here also it's greater than the third side. In all three cases, it's greater than the third side. Then what can we say? We can say that a triangle is possible with the given measures. Okay, then therefore a triangle is possible with the given measures. So this type we can write our answer with the given measures. So let's move to the next example. I read the question. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Between which two numbers can length of the third side fall? So ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, two sides measures ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and they're asking to find the third side where it lies, or between which two numbers the third side, the measure of the third side lies. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, third side ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here also we use the property that we learnt in the previous class, and it related to the sum of the lengths of two sides, that is always greater than the third side. Okay, let's find. The given measures are, example, second example, given measures are, that is 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Let's find the sum of these two measures. 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, that is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14 centimeter. And also here we have to find the difference between these two given measures. So find the difference between these two. 8 centimeter minus 6 centimeter, that is equal to 8 minus 2 is, 6 is 2 centimeter. The sum of the two measures is that is equal to 14 centimeter, and difference is 2 centimeter. Then the third side, it fall between these two measures, or these two numbers. Then we can write our answer here. Here sum is 14 centimeter and difference is 2 centimeter. Then hence the length of the third side could be any length greater than, which one? Greater than, that should be greater than 2 centimeters and less than 14 centimeter. Okay, so here we wrote that here sum is 14 centimeter and difference is 2 centimeter, and it falls between 2 centimeter and 14 centimeter. That could be any number between these two measures, because the sum of these two is 14 centimeter, and the property says that it's always greater than, if the sum of the two lengths is greater than the third side, okay, and it is always less than the third side, difference is always less than the third side, then we can write our answer like this. So now let's move to the exercise problems. Here also we use some properties that what we learnt in the previous classes regarding a triangle. So exercise 6.4. In that first one, I read the question. The first one, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Here they have given three sub-questions in that, and asking is, given with the given measures we have to find whether the triangle is possible or not. Okay, how can we find the construction of triangle is possible or not? By using the property that we learned. It says the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay, in that first one it is 2 centimeter, comma 3 centimeter, comma 5 centimeter. Okay, then here we can write, so given measures, these are the given measures, so add 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, what we get, it is 5 centimeter. Is it greater than the third side? What is the third side? The measure of the third side is equal to the sum of those two lengths. Okay, then here we can write it is equal to third side. So then from this, by this we can tell that if the sum of any two lengths of a triangle is equal to the third side, or if it is less than the third side, then we can say that it's not possible to have a triangle with these given measures. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲೇ ನಮಗೇನಾಯಿತು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ say that it's no necessity to solve the other two steps. With this step only we can say that, we can conclude that this is not possible, a triangle is not possible with the given measures. So here sum is equal to third side, hence a triangle is not possible with the given measures. Okay, then move to second one. So what it says, you know how to write the answer. So you saw how to write the answer. Here also we have to find the sum of the two lengths in 3 steps, because so here we found in first step only that it's equal to the third side. Okay, given second one is like this. Measures are 3 centimeter, comma 6 centimeter, comma 7 centimeter. Okay, so in first step what can we see, what can we do, 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, add these two, so it's 9 centimeter. What's the comparison? it's greater than the third side, greater than 7 centimeter. Add the second one and third one, it is 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. It's 6 plus 6, that is 13. 6 plus 7 is 13 centimeter. It's greater than first measure. Add 7 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. What we get? It's 10 centimeter. It's greater than second measure. Here we got all the three sums, they are greater than the rest one. Okay, then here, hence, okay, here in every case sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. Here in every case sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. Hence a triangle is possible. A triangle is possible with the given measures. Okay. So let's move to the third one. That is the third one. Okay. What they have given in third problem? Given measures are, it is 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay. Add. The first one is 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. What about this? The sum is 9 centimeter. Is it greater than the third side? Yes, it's greater than third side. Okay. Take second one and third one. It is 5 centimeter. Is it greater than? No, it's less than the third side. Then what can we say about the construction of a triangle? It is less than third side. Then we can write our answer as here the sum of in the second case the sum of the lengths of two sides is less than the third side. Hence, what can we write? We can write hence a triangle is not possible. A triangle is not possible with the given measures. Okay, so this is our answer. So let's have the second one. So I think you have your textbook with you, that you can look into your textbook to see the question. I read the question now. I read the question now. Second one. Okay. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. They have given one triangle there, that is PQR triangle. Is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? OQ plus OR is greater than QR? OR plus OP is greater than RP. Okay. What they have given? They have given one triangle here. So I draw a triangle. And they are asking to take any point in the interior of a triangle PQR here. This is P, this is Q, and this is R. Okay, any point in the interior of a triangle, that is O. And they are asking is the sum of the lengths of two sides in the triangles which are formed in the triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, so what can we do now? Let's join O to P, O to Q. So otherwise we can't get any triangle here. So by joining O to vertices of this triangle, then we get, so here it is O. Okay. What we got here? We got three triangles. So in that is O is in the interior of this triangle PQR, and we got by joining O to PQR. These are the vertices of this triangle PQR. We got three triangles. The first triangle is OPQ triangle OPQ, and the second triangle is OQR, and the third triangle is triangle ORP. These are the three triangles we got by joining O to the vertices of triangle PQR. They are P, Q and R. Then what can we do here? Okay. So we got these three triangles. If these are the triangles, if those are the triangles, three triangles, then it must hold the property. It must hold the property that the sum of the lengths of any two triangles of that triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. Then first find as triangle OPQ. This is the first triangle. OPQ is a triangle with sides. What are the sides of this triangle OPQ? They are OP, PQ and QO or OQ. Okay. Then if it's a triangle, if that's a triangle, then we can write that OP, what they have asked, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, isn't it? So ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ? OP, PQ and QO. So these are the three sides of this first triangle. Then it must hold the property that says the sum of the measures of two lengths is always greater than the third side. So now ಒಂದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So this is the first one. Then take the second one. Then take the second one as, so this one is the second triangle as triangle OQR. OQR ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Triangle OQR is a triangle. So ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು triangle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So triangle then with the sides. Which are the sides here? Here the sides are OQ, comma OQ, comma QR, and which is the third side here? That is OR or O. So these are the three sides. Then the second one is OQ plus OR is greater than QR. That is the second side of the bigger triangle. Then go to third. That is the third one. Here the third triangle is, which is the triangle formed here? The third triangle, that is as triangle ORP. ORP is a triangle, then with the sides, which are the sides of this triangle? OR, say OR, RP and OP. Then we can say that then OR plus OP is greater than, these are the two lengths of the third triangle. This is the third triangle. Then the lengths of these, the sum of the lengths of these two measures is greater than the third side, that is RP. So what they have asked in the question, that is possible. Okay, then it is possible. Then let's move to the third one. Let's move to the third one. I read the question. AM is a median of a triangle ABC is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Consider the sides of a triangle ABM and AMC. I draw. And this is the triangle given here, and they have given one median. What is median? A median is a perpendicular, that is the line segment which joins the midpoint of any of the length, that is the any of this side, to the opposite vertex. That is called median. This is A, B, C. Let's have the midpoint of this triangle here, that is M. So join M to A. That's the line segment. It joins the midpoint of the side to its opposite vertex. Okay. So like this they have given here. So this is the triangle. And what they have asked is, then if it is a midpoint of this BC, the base BC, then BM is always equal to MC. So ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ M ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಒಂದು ಫಿಗರ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಫಿಗರ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್ BM and MC and it says that M is the midpoint of BC. ಸೊ BCಗೆ M ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಮತ್ತು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. AM is the median. ಸೊ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು? Already we know that median, it's a line segment which joins the midpoint of side. The midpoint, it's a line segment which joins the midpoint of the side to its opposite vertex. So ಯಾವುದು opposite vertexಗೆ ಅದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅದನ್ನು BM ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು MC. ಸೊ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈಗ? ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೀಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೆಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, in a triangle, sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೆಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ತರಹನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABM, in triangle ABM. So this is one triangle and this is the second triangle. In triangle ABM, we can say that AB plus BM, AB plus BM is greater than, if it's a triangle, then what is the third side of this triangle? It's AM, is greater than AM. Then consider this as the first expression. So similarly in triangle, the second triangle, they said to consider AMC or ACM. In triangle ACM, AC plus MCR CM, that is greater than the third side is AM. This is the second expression. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABM ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ, ABM. So this is the first triangle and ACM is the second triangle. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೆಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ AB plus BM is greater than AM. And also ACM, in triangle ACM, AC plus CM is greater than AM. Okay, so ಈಗ ಎರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. adding 1 and 2 ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ 1 and 2 ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ 1 and 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈಗ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಎಮ್, ಎ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಎಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಿಗರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಎ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಎಮ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ like terms, then we can add them, it's 2am, it becomes 2am. Then here ab plus, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ bm plus cm ಇದೆ, bm plus cm. ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then we can write, instead of bm plus cm, we can write bc. Then the third side is ac is greater than am. So what they have given in the question, they asked to, is it possible ab plus bc plus ac is greater than 2am. Then so what we did here, we did, since m is the midpoint, m is the midpoint then of BC, then BM plus MC or CM is equal to BC. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು BC plus BM plus CM ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, BC ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ we should give reason, exact reason why we have written BC. Hence given AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2am is true. Okay. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಎಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ನ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದರೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಎಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2am, ಹೌದಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2 sides ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ, ಎ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಎಮ್, ಎ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಎಮ್, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ we use to write the word similarly. This is the short method. Okay, so similarly in triangle ACM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ACM. ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, AC ಪ್ಲಸ್ CM ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, AC ಪ್ಲಸ್ CM. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ AM. So here we consider these two expressions. Here we are adding these two expressions 1 and 2. Okay. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 and 2ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಎಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎ ಎಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಎಮ್ they are like terms, then we can add both of those, it becomes 2am. Illi AB, this is the side of the bigger triangle ABC. BM plus illi the CM alla, idanna nanu illi tankodidini ashte. Okay, then AC illi bardidini. So ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ BM plus CM ಇದೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನಂತ, ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಎಮ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಸಿ, ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇದೆರಡರದ್ದು ಬದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಐ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2am. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ 3 ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಂತೆ, ಒಂದು ಅದರ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ನ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದಿ 4th one. Here also, in the 4th one also we should use the property that regarding this lens, some of the lens. So what we did in the third problem, same we have to do for the 4th problem also. So in the next class we solve the 4th in the next class 4th, 5th and 6th problem that we solve in the next class. Okay, thank you.